What's this? What's this? It can only mean one thing.
Winter is coming.
Let's go!
How's it going, all you fine people? My name is Levi Peters, and this is Demetrios Levi. It's time to bundle up, I guess, because we had a really early snowfall, and I say, if there's still leaves on the trees, it's way too early. But nonetheless, it happened. So that still means winter is coming, and before you know it, we'll be having snowball fights. If you're in the north. If you're in Florida, you're all good.
You missed me!
So us northerners really need to embrace and dress for the brutal elements coming our way. But we don't have to look like a marshmallow.
I can't put my arms down!
We can do this in style. So today I'm going over the 5 winter jackets that you should look into. And as I normally do, I'm gonna start with the most casual of the jackets and then go up the formality scale. All right, let's get into it. Starting with number 1, we have, that went right on, the puffer jacket. This is a really nice casual jacket that'll keep you warm, but at the same time, it's nice and lightweight. This is trending quite a bit this season, so if you're into all those new latest trends, this should work pretty well. I've seen these jackets being puffy to the extreme level. And even though that's trending right now, it's not gonna last long and it just doesn't look good. It's over the top in my opinion. Remember, you don't wanna look like Randy.
I can't get up!
Style this with your more casual outfits and you're good to go. I'd recommend personally sticking with neutral colors for a jacket like this, but if you have multiple winter jackets already and you see a puffer jacket that's colorful and you really like it and it would go good with a lot of outfits that you have, then I say go for it. And number 2, we have the bomber jacket. The bomber jacket's a classic, man, and it's awesome because it has military history behind it because it was worn by pilots, hence why it's also called the flight jacket. Characterized by its puffier sleeves and its elastic cuffs, this is a classic jacket that will never go out of style. Well, as long as you're probably alive, I'm guessing. Unless we switch back to tunics or togas. I wouldn't mind.
Toga, 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 toga!
And again, it's popular in the streetwear community, so if you're into trendier outfits, here you go. This is perfect. When it comes to colors, I like darker colors, though this one does have some nice orange lining into it, so it makes it stand out a little bit, but it looks amazing in a military green, like an olive green or just a dark forest green. Wear this with more casual outfits and you'll be looking pretty hip.
Aren't we cool?
These come in a variety of different fabrics and weights, and also that includes leather, which is number 3 on this list. Which is, of course, a good leather jacket. A good leather jacket is just so hard to beat. And since it stands up to the wind pretty well, then it's really nice to wear on those really cold, windy days. Depending on the style of jacket, it can be a great middle ground jacket. Like this Brando jacket, you can wear it more casually or more formally. I already did a whole entire video on this, so click it if you haven't already. Because there's such a large variety of styles out there, ranging from biker jackets like this Brando jacket to ones that look like this, choose whichever one fits your style best. Though I would stay away from long leather trench coats. You'll look like a cosplayer or a goth or even, you know. Number 4 is one of my all-time favorites. The peacoat. Everyone loves a peacoat. Am I wrong?
Am I wrong?
No.
Am I wrong?
This is great for that amazing nautical feel, which owes to the fact that it originates from the Navy.
Not the Navy!
It's something that can be worn semi-casual or dressed up, and it keeps you super warm because not only is it a thicker material, but it's double-breasted, which helps from the air flowing in and hitting your chest. Gotta keep those chesticles warm. You can wear it down like this, or go douchey like me and pop the collar up. It's up to you. I totally recommend going with the classic navy blue, but it also looks really good in charcoal grays and black. I wouldn't personally go with a bright color on this one. Not only is it hard to find, but it just wouldn't look right, in my opinion. And at number 5, we have my personal favorite, the overcoat. This is the most formal of the coats, and it looks absolutely fantastic when paired with a suit. And like a suit, it can be single-breasted like this one, or double-breasted, which looks so cool. I personally recommend it more. But the great thing is that even though this is the most formal of the coats, it looks just as good when paired casually. I think it does. In my fall looks video, I wore this with distressed jeans and a sweater. You can also pair it with just a t-shirt and jeans, like shown here. Because this jacket is longer than the other ones shown, it does a great job at keeping you really warm. So if you live in a real cold area, this will do you good.
You done good, Hasselhoff.
Another great thing about this jacket is that it comes in such a large variety of colors, and it looks fantastic in them. My personal recommendation is that I'd choose something other than black for this one. This is a staple piece, so it's your chance to really bring in some character. My favorite is this one, the camel overcoat. It stands out, but at the same time, it's not over the top. And because it's a more neutral color, I can pair this with almost anything. And it's a classic. There's also browns, grays, bold patterns, even bright royal blues. Look at this. Wow. Just don't go for something boring like black. Have some fun.
Are we having fun yet?
So yeah, there you go. 5 jackets that you should look into this winter. I used to hate winter clothing as a kid because I looked pretty much like Randy. And I was all bundled up and I was so uncomfortable. And so I honestly thought, winter, you never look good. But as a matter of fact, it's the complete opposite I've learned. Winter is one of the best seasons for style because there's so many options you can choose. And it's all about layering. And layering is king. If you like this video, please go and tap that like button. That would be great. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a new video. And don't forget to share this video as well. Let's help everybody out. Don't be too selfish now. Before I get going, comment down below any winter style topics that you'd like me to cover in the future, because this is just about jackets. This is only the beginning. And as you know, we are, after all, in this together. All right, I'll see all you beautiful people next week. Latro. The background got dark. The light went down. That's what the blue light was for. Duck on it. Oh well.